Hey everyone, this is Tommaso. Today I would like to give you a brief overview of Brewer X, the ultimate homebrew companion for macOS, and its functionalities. Please keep in mind that the software is still in beta, meaning that everything you are going to see can still change in the near future. Okay, that being said, let's start by having a look at the main window of the app. As you can see, it's a pretty standard macOS window, similar to Finder in a way. And if we look at the toolbar, we can see that on the left side of the title, we have two buttons. We like to call these personas. Right now, we are in the cask persona, represented also in the title, but you also have available the formulae persona. If you are familiar with Homebrew, you should probably already know what I'm talking about. If you are not, you should just know that in Homebrew terminology, a formula is a piece of software that can be used in the terminal, usually. For example, a script, binary, or command line interface. A cask, instead, is everything that is not a formula. For example, as you already can see, my standard Mac apps, but also maybe other contents like fonts or drivers. Now, today I would like to give you an overview of the interaction with Brewer X. So, installing, uninstalling, and upgrading an app. So, let's start by installing something. Let's say that I heard about this cool new browser called Arc, and I want to give it a try. Everyone is excited on the internet, so why not? Let's start by searching for Arc in the search field, and as you can see, the window splits in two, and you're presented with a bunch of results on the right side, and this is probably what I'm looking for. However, sometimes you can be sure if this is the right result. So in these cases, you can choose View in Browser just to double check. And yeah, it seems so. Perfect. So let's install it by clicking the button. And after a couple of moments or minutes, depending on your internet connection and what you are trying to install, you should see that Arc moves to the left side with every other app that you already installed on the Mac. Now you can do a bunch of stuff with it, even open it directly from Brewer X with the open button in the context menu, or by simply double-clicking it. You should be asked if this is the first time to allow the app, and there you go. You have your shiny new browser ready to try. Let's close this now. Let's say that we change our mind and we don't like Arc. I mean, it's a good software, so yeah, but for the sake of example, let's uninstall it. Confirm, and as easy as that. Now you don't have Arc anymore. In fact, we can even check on the launchpad that yeah, we don't have Arc. And you're installing something with Brewer X and therefore Homebrew. It's a nice way to uninstall an app, since most of the time you're also going to delete all the other support files that the app left on and installed on the computer. You probably already noticed sometimes on the table next to the name of an app, there is a blue button with an arrow looking upward. These arrows, these buttons, suggest you that an upgrade is available for the app or formula or whatever other content you are dealing with. So you can upgrade an app with Brewer X by clicking the button or choosing Upgrade from the context menu. Okay, this process took a couple of minutes, but now CyberDuck it's upgraded successfully. Now, to wrap up the video, let's have a look at two slightly more advanced features. Let's search for another app to install, Cloudflare. Now, this is an app that I know it's good for the sake of the example. If you already used Homebrew in the past, you probably know that sometimes you are required to fill in your system administrator password, aka sudo, to complete the process. Brewer X is perfectly able to handle this type of requests. In fact, if we try to install Cloudflare Warp, we should see a modal window popping up asking for the administrator password. Type in the password, click continue, and the password is directly sent back to the Homebrew process beneath and to the sudo request. And so you can now enjoy Cloudflare Warp. And last but not least, let's have a look at the transcript. You know, sometimes a process might fail. In fact, Brewer X is still using Homebrew behind the scenes, or you may simply be curious to know what's going on behind the scenes. So for these situations, you can go to the help menu and transcript. Here you can see everything that has happened so far behind the scenes, and it's also live, so we can have a look at it right now. You can clear it and you uninstall Cloudflare Warp. You should ask again for system password. There you go. And yeah, that's it. Okay, that was Brewer X. I hope you enjoyed it, and it's been a long ride for us. And if you have any ideas or feedback, please let us know. You can write us on Twitter or on our website brewerx.app. As I mentioned at the beginning, Brewer X is in beta. You can sign up for the program on our website, and is as free and as simple as filling in this box with your email. And if you end up helping us in this early development phase, you'll receive a 30% discount code when the app is finally going to be released. So if you're interested, be sure to not miss the deal. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you.